for bedding. And there's our loader. We have some here inside setup there for little kids, all insulated building. There for hay rack, put straw in. And there have some which kids on milk. These on milk, and they have Robin. Hello, King Thomas and Murphys. These kids on milk. There is 3-4 week old, and some is like 5 to 6 week old. They have a straw to eat, and then the food, and then there you see the pipe, the coming milk. And I have a ball playing. I give a fresh bedding in a minute, and then they all jump around and playing. Please like video, subscribe channel, and share video as well. There is a milk teats, you see. They're all jumping. You see they're playing with balls. Oh yeah, lovely night, boy. Yes. If you're new on my channel, please subscribe channel, like video, and if you want any question, please subscribe or just let me know you're watching. This is straw for eat. Because we give young kids straw for eating it because they're good for goats. And when they go older, they get grass, and then they have a provine to eat. There is a fresh air coming in this bag because the fan is down there, all insulated. And then they have fan here as well. They take it out, all air. They're all playing.